AI writers are great tools for speeding up your workflow. And so when the WriteSeed team got in touch with me and asked me to check out their products, I was only too happy to take a look, because this is something of a toolbox of AI writing tools. So just starting at the dashboard, you can see they've got a lot of little tools to help you out. So these are like little AI wrappers. They've already had the prompts dealt with. So if you're not used to AI and prompting, this is a great selection of AI tools to help get you some output to get you started. And so all you'd have to do is go into any of these, let's say blog topic idea, niche, let's say eco-friendly, brand voice, the model that you want to use to generate the output. So let's go Sonnet, and you could include things to include. And when we hit write text, it's now going to send that off to that particular AI model and give us some blog topic ideas. So now we've got our ideas. Let's have a look at some of these. This is quite a good one. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to the dashboard, because this doesn't just do the short form, this can also help you with articles and blog. I'll come on to the bulk batch creator for WordPress later. Let's just do a basic one straight in here. So keywords or niche. So I'm just going to drop that in. I'm going to hit research. So when you're going through this process, this is pretty cool. It gives you the topic suggestion. You can write your own title, so I could paste in the title that it gave me before. It's given me the Google search results, so that I can have a look at what's already out there. What are they doing? What are they including? And then it's given me related keywords. Now, normally, see, I've put in quite a long keyword there. Normally, if you just have a more 1 or 2 keywords type thing, you'll have a lot more related keywords. I'm going to include that. Click next. We're going to get these 7 topics, and we can ask for images, tables, takeaways. Let's have some FAQs, a YouTube video, and if you bother about undetectable AI, you can do that. You can select the tone of voice. Let's hit next. Now it's going to go ahead and create the article. While it's just generating that article, let me just hop over and show you the deal. So it's on AppSumo. I'll put an affiliate link down below. You've got 4 plans, the main difference being the amount of words per month. So straight away on plan 2, you can generate unlimited number of words, and you get all the stock photos, SEO, all that kind of stuff. If you go up to plan 3, you can connect unlimited WordPress sites, and you get 300 AI images a month. And the top plan gives you unlimited AI images per month. So now we're back into the editor. It's written the article. So this is great. If you've used something like Phrase or Neuron Writer, one of those tools that's also been on AppSumo, this kind of replaces that for you. So we get the SEO score, we get the words, the headings, the paragraphs, images, keyword density, frequency, and we can see what keywords are there, what keywords are missing. And so it's given us this image. This is from, I think it's from, there we go, unsplash.com. Going green, it's got the title, we've got the key takeaways. We've then got an article, just having a scan through. I haven't read it obviously, but it looks like it's covered some good topics here. We've got a nice table to break things up, that's good. We've then got, see, I did ask for a second image. Okay. And scroll down. So that's a pretty good article overall. We've then got a YouTube video. This is quite long, this 2,400 words, FAQs at the bottom. That's great. So you can go ahead and edit this if you want to. So if you are wanting to add a little bit more in, you can start typing or ask a question or whatever it is you want to do. Just hit the expand button, and that will use AI now to expand that out and give you a new chunk of text. If you're happy with all that, then you can post it to WordPress, and that'll now push it out to my test site that I use for things like AI writers, and it'll publish it as a post. Now that gives you a lot of control over this, and you can then tweak it, add in more keywords, images, all that kind of stuff before you publish it, which is really good. But what if you want to smash out a load of blogs in one hit? We can do that with one of 2 modes. You've got batch article creator that can create up to 30 articles at once for a list of keywords. And separately, if you're a WordPress user, you can actually schedule up to 100 articles. So I'm going to use the WordPress one. So let's just give it a list of keywords like so. So we've got a list of keywords and it's one for each article. You select your website and you can select when you want to post, every 3 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours. So let's just say every 24 hours. Schedule articles. And there we go. They're now all set up and these will run at this time and then they'll get published automatically to your website. So there's a lot of really good stuff in here. You can see I've already done a few down here. And I just want to show you one of the issues I find with using stock photo sites is quite often, especially on a bulk process, you can end up with the same image being used twice, which is really annoying. You're then going to have to go in and redo it. So there's a few things I would suggest the developers take a look at. One is the use of AI images. They have an AI image generator built in and it's using Flux, which is really good, but it'd be great to see these be used for the featured image and adding in images. I've seen that in other tools like this. So look at that, where eco-friendly are you? You then hit download because it doesn't save this. So you'll have to download them if you want to keep them. If that wasn't quite right, you could adjust the prompt, hit create image again. And there we go. See, really good looking images. And the great thing about the Flux is it can do text as well, which I really like. So they can produce some brilliant images that you could use for the featured image. And I'd like to see AI images integrated into that bulk writer to make sure that you're getting good quality images and it's not repetitive and it's not going to be images other people have used as well. That's a big problem with using sites like Unsplash. I would also like to see the ability to, you can select a website, but you can't tell it what category. So when they're published, you get them all as uncategorized. I'd also like to see the bulk writer be able to use things like lists, add in extra photos, add in tables, all that kind of good stuff, because at the moment it's just a block of text. And so you're going to have to do a fair bit of editing to make this more interesting. So if you remember, this is the one we did and I pushed it out manually, and this has key takeaways, and then it's got some text, but then it's got the nice table. We've got the second image, we've got the YouTube video, and all those extra little bits which make this a much better article are missing if you use the bulk option. So I'd like to see the bulk option updated to include a lot more of these extra bits that would make these articles a lot more engaging. Overall, WriteSeed is a really good option if you've not got any AI tools, you've not picked up something like Phrase or Neuron Writer, that's kind of all built into this. And if you're willing to take the time to go through the SEO research and full article, I think that is a very good tool and adds in a lot of stuff. The bulk stuff, I've seen other tools do it better, but you know, these guys could easily do some updates and make this a really killer bulk creation tool. It's a nice clean UI. I like the AI images. I like the posts and ads element. I haven't dabbled with the Chrome extension yet. Affiliate link down below if you want to check this out. As I say, you've got unlimited word plan for $88, which I think is really good if you're just getting started with this. But if you think you might want to do some images, then the unlimited AI image plan is only $176, which I think is pretty reasonable for all the tools you're getting. Just bear in mind there's a little bit extra work involved in the bulk writer, and if you want to see how I created a cool image like this, click this video next.